Boom, boom, super boom, 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 super boom. Hi, guys. Welcome to Haphie's Place. I'm your host, Haphie. And today we're going to learn about trucks. Who wants to learn about trucks? You guys do. But before we do that, let's go ahead and do a song and dance. So follow me. Happy daddles do do do. Happy daddles do do do. Happy daddles do 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 do. Happy daddles. Emma daddles do do do. Emma daddles do do do. Emma daddles do do do. Emma daddles. As she daddles do do do. As she daddles do do do. As she daddles do do do. As she daddles. That's our song. Do do do. That's our song. Do do. That's our song. Do do. That's our song. Wow! Woo! I feel good. You guys feel good too? Shake your heads. All right. Now, today we are going to learn about trucks. So, follow me, and we're going to go talk about the parts and pieces that make this truck come together. Let's go. Do do do. Do do do. Do do do. Do do do. Do do. Do do do. Do do do. Do do do. All right, guys. Welcome to Haphie's Tool Place. And now it's time for us to build that truck. So follow me and we'll go over the parts and pieces that it takes to build that truck. All right, as you can see, we have all sorts of parts and pieces on the floor, and we also have different vehicles to include a plane, a car, a fire truck, and a cop car. So we have our monster truck right here, so let's go ahead and build it together. All right, help me out. First, we're going to take the wheels. And we're going to put the axles onto the wheels. We do that just like that. All right, now we got that set up. And we'll do the same thing to this wheel and this axle. Okay, we'll go ahead and keep those parts and pieces right there. Now we're going to go over the body of the truck. So this part is the body, or as people like to call it, the frame. And there's also the cabin, which houses a couple of seats. And this is so that we can be comfortable when we're driving around. So let's go ahead and put the top of the body onto the lower half, just like that. And we'll make sure that everything lines up. Boom. That way it doesn't fall apart. All right, let's go ahead and put our wheels in. Here's our first wheel. And we'll go ahead and we'll attach the second wheel to it. All right. And then we'll take this wheel, we'll put it in, and we'll attach another wheel to it. Now it's got 4 wheels. Count that. Oops. Sometimes when you're building things, things come apart. And all we have to do is put it right back together, like so. All right. And as you can see, the 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the way that we're going to hold this body together is we're going to use a screw. So we're going to put in our screw. We're going to set it. And then you guys are going to help me screw it in. And we have our handy dandy screwdriver right here. All right, so help me count. 1, 2, whoops. 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Now we got our truck together, see? All right, we're going to put on the back bumper. And it's just going to go just like this. Bam, and now it's assembled. As you can see, our truck is starting to come together. All right, the next part we're going to put are the fog lights. And this makes it where everything is really bright so that when you're going down the road, you can see what you're doing. Or if you're stopped, you can also see what you're doing. So here we go. We're gonna put the fog lights in. They go in the back and they get attached with the screw as well. So we'll go ahead and set the screw like so. And then we'll go ahead and we will screw it in. So guys, help me count. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 right there. Now we got our fog lights on. All right, we just got a couple more parts and pieces to put together. But first, I think we should do a song. You guys want to do a song with me? Shake your heads. All right, on the count of 3, Happy's going to sing. If you know the song, sing with Happy. Here we go. The happy, happy spider crawled into Happy's place. Happy reached down and picked up the spider and looked him in the face. Then Happy put down the spider and asked if he wanted to race. Then Happy and the spider raced around Happy's place. Woo! All right! I like it, I like it, I like it. All right, guys, let's finish up our truck. So, we're going to put on our front bumper, and it's just going to go like that. And then we're going to put on our grill, which attaches to the front bumper, like this. And then we are going to insert our screws. So, and all we do is we just screw it in. We make sure we get it set like we always do. We got the one in. And now let's bring in the second piece. So, gotta make sure it's set right. And then we attach it and we screw it in. And then we get it set. And then you guys are gonna help me count again, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and that is our truck. Look at that. It is all put together, parts and pieces. And now I think that we should take the truck and take the car and see who wins. All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! I think the truck won. What do you guys think? All right, well, I had so much fun building a truck with you guys. As always, we're going to end our video on the Haphie Dance. So I want you to subscribe. I want you to hit the like button, and then we'll do the Haphie Dance, and we'll say goodbye. All right, follow me. All right, it's time to do the Haphie Dance. If you know it, stand up and sing with me, okay? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now smile. Reach for the sky. Rub your tummy. Slap your thighs. Clap your hands. Shake your sides. Nod your head. Wave goodbye. Goodbye. All right, that's been Happy's time at Happy's Place. It's time to get out of here, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.